Morning guys and gals, Froggy here. This is my slider. It goes into the backyard and the rollers are worn out, and I'm going to show you how I replaced the rollers. There's a few other videos that you should also check out. Just search for them. I'm not going to put any links. One other extra added feature is this slider has a screen that's called a disappearing screen. The screen rolls up into a roll inside of that column there and pulls out and then attaches to magnets over on that side over there. And it has a track on the top, which I'm pointing to there, the little white track on the top, and it's got a track on the bottom. So I'm not going to get into removing that. If somebody actually has one of those, they can post it down in the comments and I'll try and help you walk it through. Basically, it's anchored at the top and at the bottom, and it slides, this long piece slides onto the tracks. It slides on with a little specially manufactured shape that slides on, and then you screw through both of them. And then the track just attaches with about 4 screws across the bottom. So yeah, post me, comment me if you want more detail on that. So now the door has to come out towards the outside because the lip on the inside is higher than the lip on the outside, and you have to shove it up in straight up into the track a little bit, and you can't shove it up high enough to go over that inside lip, so it has to come out of the outside lip. So that means I'm gonna have to remove the stationary door first and then the sliding door. So right now I'm figuring out how to remove the stationary door. So I'm taking this strip, this metal strip, off of the stationary door. 2 screws, top and bottom, and I think I should be able to just tap on that stationary, that piece right there, and I think that'll come off, supposedly. The lighting is not good, but here is the wheel assembly, and you see that screw right there. Sorry, my flashlight is strobing. You see that screw right there? So this piece has to come off so I can get at that screw, and that screw I think is what holds this in, and this will slide out that way, I think. So we're going to tap this off with some kind of a edge and a soft mallet to tap it off. Okay, sorry about the video. So the screw that goes through here holds this piece on, and it also holds the wheels on. So the wheels are loose. They'll slide, so they have to slide in. So I have to get this whole thing off, which is going to be tricky because it's been 20 years and it's got a piece of rubber molding here, so it's going to be tricky. So I was able to pry this much of it away from the glass and slide out the trolley. I'm going to call it a trolley. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is the part that needs to be replaced, and the bearings are shot. It's really rough. If you move it with your finger, you can feel how rough it is. And then imagine 150 pounds on top of that. There's 4 of them, but still it's rough. So this is what wears out. Even though it kind of looks okay, it's not okay. The bearing inside is shot. So I'm going to go to Home Depot, see if I can find that.
Oh, she bit it back.
The strip on the side of the door, that's the narrower strip, that one bends a little bit easier. You don't have to take it all the way off, just bend it out so that you can get you can bend it up or down out of the way and then slide in the wheels. This side's going to be harder. I'm going to have to take it up probably to halfway there. Froggy got lucky and I didn't have to take it out that far. I could bend it down out of the way and slide the old one out. Okay, so I'm going to wrap it up. It all went back together. I will give you a few little final tips. When you tap the metal edges back onto the glass, make sure you use a rubber mallet. I put a little silicone on the seals to make them slide in, and I still did not get the seals perfect. I used a little pick to, like an ice pick, to pick the seal and make it come back onto the glass. And that's about it. It slides really nice. Maybe under 10 pounds of pressure, maybe 5 pounds of pressure, somewhere in there. And it's definitely a 2 strongman job to move the doors off and on. Sorry for the noise, we got a pool party going on. Put some comments down there. And also, I apologize for the video. It was a little rough in spots because I was just one-handed and I was kind of a little tired today. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Let's go, Brandon.